Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel English Tutorials with Mamta. Raghav. Let's discuss how to improve handwriting. As present is the gift of God, so don't regret and improve your handwriting now only. So today we'll see how to improve handwriting. See, it's very easy, very easy to improve your handwriting, whether you are there in any of the class, whether in primary or any of the class. So you just have to practice slanting lines, small slanting line and big slanting line. You just have to practice these only. And be careful about which slanting line should we put with which letter. Then we will see the letters, then the words, and then the sentences. Let's practice it. A with small, B with big one, C with small slanting line, D with small slanting line, E with small slanting line, F with big one, G with small, H with big one, I with small, J with small, K with big one, L with big one, M with small, N with small, O with small and this loop, P with big one, Q with small, R with small, S with small, T with big one, U with small, V with small, W with small, X with small, Y with small and Z with small. So there are just a few letters with big slanting lines. These are B, F, H, K, L, P, T, just these slanting lines. So let's practice the words. If we'll have to write bring, B with big, R with small slanting line, I with small, N with small, G with small. Then F with big, L with big, Y with small. Then H big, A small, P capital. So P big slanting line, Y small slanting line. For best, B big slanting line, E small, S small, T big slanting line. Okay, then you must have heard practice makes a man perfect. So we'll write it also. Practice makes. Okay, A small slanting line. For man, M small slanting line, A small, N small. Perfect, P big slanting line, E small, R small, F big slanting line, E small, C small, T big slanting line. Now a thing of beauty. A for thing, T big slanting line, H big slanting line, I small, N small and G small. So most of the letters are there from small only. So O small, F big. For beauty, B big slanting line, E small, A small, U small, T big and Y small. S, I small, S small, A small. For joy, J small, O small, Y small. Think of beauty as a joy forever, forever. F big, O small, R small, E, V, E, R small. So you just have to practice slanting lines only. So be careful about slanting lines. And if you want me to explain it in Hindi, then do write in the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more updates.